What's going on, guys? Thrills in the block back again. Had a viewer ask a question about some lights. So I did some taillight restoration on some 20-year-old taillights on a Chevy 2500 series truck, aka the Black Stallion. And I had a viewer comment and said, "Hey, Three Wheels, can you do that on headlights?" So today, I've got a set of 300C headlights. They look okay. They are a bit foggy. If I get them real close, you can see all the distortion there and the lens. Now, the guy that dropped these off said that they had already been restored once, but he just wasn't happy with how they came out. So we're going to see if we can make these like new. I'm going to get a little bit of paper, grab some paper, I'm going to wet sand these down, wax and grease remove, speed coat, high production clear coat. That's what's going on. Alright, so my spray bottle, I'm using this SMR 980. This is a Speedo Shine Instant Detailer Sanding and Polishing Lubricant from Speedycoat. I picked this up, figured I'd try it out, and it has a very long luster. So when you put this on whatever you're using, the polishing effect just continues on and on and on, which is pretty cool. So anyway, we're going to be using that. That is what's in this bottle here. I've diluted it down with a little bit of water, 1:1. So I've got some 2000 grit. I may have to drop down to a 1000 grit paper in order to make this work. Just going to start with 2000, work our way back if we need to. So this light seems to have cut really well. Pretty even all the way across. This one's cut well as well. Or also. There's a couple marks in this light. I'm not sure what this is. There are two orange spots. There's one there and one there. And that is in the substrate of the lens. So it's in the surface. Not sure what's up with it. I will cut a little bit further to see if I can get those out, but I am not sure. It looks like it's stained. Almost like a bug or something got on there and its guts like melted into the plastic almost. Alright, they are prepped and ready for clear. I'm going to go mix up this high production clear coat. Alright, so this is the result with the Speedycoat clear on these 300C headlights. They came out pretty good. I mean, they look almost brand new. It's pretty close. They'll stay like this for 10 to 15 years. They won't yellow or anything like that. Big improvement from where they're at before. Also put in some other colors because, you know, if I got the gun out, I might as well. Yeah, so that's that Mark 1 Refinish Pro. See, those are my lights up in the ceiling up there. Yeah. A nice sharp edge. it's so clear that the camera can't even focus. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? This other color I'm messing with over here. That's some deep stuff right there. Boy, that's deep. We'll go ahead and wrap up this video. So yes, you can use 2K Clear to restore your headlights as well as taillights on your vehicle. My name is Erwin. This through was on a block where we're giving back what time is taken away. We'll see you soon.